Hotep Scholars, I'm Professor Horton, and this is STEM for 2nd grade. We've been talking all about matter. We said that there are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. We started off by transforming matter by cooling its temperature. We filled a plastic bag with water. At that point, it was a liquid, and then we put it in the freezer and transformed it into a solid. The next experiment we looked at transformed matter from a liquid into a gas. And our most recent experiment took matter from a liquid into a solid when we made slime. Now, for today's activity, we're going to take another look at how to transform matter using temperature, but this time we're turning up the heat. The goal of today's activity is that you're able to demonstrate understanding of transforming matter by adjusting the temperature. For today's activity, we'll be transforming matter from a liquid into a solid by using heat. All right, join me in the lab. I think you'll be in for a treat. Alright, scholars, for this activity, we're going to need brownie mix, vegetable oil, 2 eggs, a mixing bowl, and measuring cup. The first step is to empty the brownie mix into the mixing bowl. At this point, our matter is considered a solid. Step 2 is to empty 2/3 of vegetable oil into the brownie mix. In this case, the vegetable oil is matter while it's in the liquid state. Next, we will empty 1/4 cup of water, which is also a liquid, into the brownie mix, and the 2 eggs. There's 1 and 2. At this point, we're going to go ahead and mix in all of our ingredients. And as we mix, our brownie batter turns into a liquid. So at this point, the matter is a liquid. You can tell because it has a size, meaning it can be measured, but it does not hold a shape. Next, we're going to spray our baking pan, and we will pour our brownie mix into the baking pan. Once again, at this point, our matter is a liquid. Go ahead and make sure that it is evenly spread in the pan. Then we're going to put it into the oven. I'm going to put mine into the oven for 25 minutes, baked at 350 degrees. So we will be again using temperature, but this time we're turning the temperature up to turn our matter into a solid. And at this point, once we take it out of the oven, our matter is a solid. All right, scholars, welcome back. So, get with your parents, make sure you have their permission and their assistance. Make sure you're very careful with the oven, that you have your parents' permission and their assistance. Illustrate each step of this experiment along the way in your launch log. Make a special note of each state of matter as you progress through the experiment. All right, scholars, that's all I have for you today. Have a good day and enjoy your brownies.